In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw a Temu coupon. If you've applied a coupon on Temu and want to remove it before finishing your purchase, the process is usually very simple. This can be helpful if you changed your mind, if you want to use a different coupon, or if you just want to compare your total with and without the discount. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along whether you're using the Temu app or the website. First, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your cart and checkout details. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where your items and coupon are saved. Next, go to your shopping cart. Here, take a moment to review the items you plan to buy. This is a good time to confirm quantities, product choices, and anything else before moving forward, since coupon eligibility can sometimes depend on what's in your cart. After that, tap or click checkout to move to the payment and order summary page. This is where Temu usually shows any coupon that has already been applied to your order. On the checkout page, look for the coupon section. Depending on your device, it may appear as an applied coupon, a coupons option, or a savings area connected to your order total. Tap or click that section to open it. Once the coupon menu appears, look for the option to remove the current coupon. In many cases, you'll see something like remove, don't use coupon, or simply an option to deselect the coupon that is currently active. Select that option to withdraw the coupon from your order. If you want, you can also choose another coupon at this stage. So if you have more than one eligible coupon available, you can switch to a different one instead of checking out without any discount. This is useful if one coupon gives you better savings than another. After making your change, review your updated total carefully. Make sure the discount has been removed or replaced correctly, and check that your new total looks right before you continue. This step is important so there are no surprises when you place the order. Finally, once everything looks correct, complete your purchase. You can place your order with the new coupon you selected, or continue without using any coupon at all. And that's how to withdraw a Temu coupon quickly and easily.